Nikki here, and welcome to today's video, which is my rolling 10 pan project, something like that. There's 10 products. It's a rolling project, and the goal is to finish everything that's in here. This is my long-term project pan, simply because these are the products that I really want to move out of my collection. These are the products that I want to be empties by the end of the year. Maybe they're in my 24 products I plan to pan video that I did back in December. But these are the products that I want to move out of my collection. I no longer kind of want them in my collection or need them in my collection, or they're getting too old. They just need to move on. And I have 2 rollouts this month. So the first one of those is my Maybelline Superstay foundation. This was in the shade Nude Beige. I won't say it's my shade because it really wasn't. I look like a Oompa Loompa wearing this. So I had to mix this a lot, and I will be truthful with you. I do have a little bit of this left in a little pot. I will show you little pot, because I do have to mix this with another foundation to make it more my shade. And I have that little bit left, but I did clean it all out as much as I possibly could, as you can see there. But yeah, I finished it. I used it a lot. Pardon me. I used it 13 times this month, and it previously weighed 87.16, and I don't have a finishing thing because, like, it's empty. I don't know why I gave you the weight for it last time. But yeah, it's finally done. It's finally out of my collection. It is my oldest foundation that I owned. It's also a full coverage foundation, which I'm trying to stay away from now with my aging skin. So very glad to have a full coverage foundation out of my collection. And I will not be repurchasing any full coverage foundations in the future. The second rollout, I don't know if I mentioned this last month. I might not have. It does say I finished it this month, so maybe I didn't mention it last month. But this is my Beauty Bay eyeliner in the shade Deep. I never could figure out whether this was a black or a blue black. But there it is, all gone. Will not roll up anymore. I found these to really dry out. This one dried out very quickly. But a drop of Duraline just into the top, and allowing it to soak as it sits upright in like a pot or whatever, really made this creamy again, so I was able to use it up. That tip is not from myself. I did not come up with that. I heard Julie from A Beauty Guru made me do it. No, her name's not Julie. Why do I keep wanting to call her Julie? Her name is Paula. I'm so sorry, Paula. Paula heard that tip from somebody else, and I heard it from Paula. So yes, not personally, I was watching her video and she happened to mention it. She doesn't know who I am, I'm sure. She might know who I am, but she might not want to watch my videos because I keep calling her Julie. But yeah, I heard that tip from her. It's all gone. That's all I'm going to say. So moving on. I'm still working on my MAC Prep and Prime, and I keep saying this, it's so top heavy now. But this is the Natural Radiance Primer. I've used this a total of 18 times this last month. It went from 57.67 to 50.71. I really do think this will be finished next month. The next item is my collection Filter Finish Complexion Boosting Primer and Illuminator. I've used this 15 times in the last month. It went from 121.02 to 117.99. The next item, I feel like this is kind of done, but I feel like I need to scrape it out a little bit, maybe remove the stopper, I don't know. But I am really like rubbing the sides of this now. This is my Rimmel Kind and Free Concealer in the shade Fair. Yeah. I have used this a total of 16 times in the last month, and it's gone from 18.35 to 16.24. The next product is my L'Oreal bronzer, Glam Bronze. So this is what it is looking like now, and I do feel like we are seeing some side pan there. I don't know if you will because of the focus, but I can definitely see more side pan than I used to. I have used this, oh, it's going everywhere. I've used this 15 times in the last month. It weighed 52.24 last month. It weighs 51.76 this month. The next item is my I Heart Revolution Little Mermaid highlighter in this bulky packaging. There it is looking there. And it is starting to look really thin. Hope you can see that. Really thin in that curve of the heart there. So I'm extremely pleased with my progress on this. Very extremely pleased. I have only used this 8 times in the last month. And it previously weighed 73.35 and now weighs 72.92. This next product I have not used at all. This is Snapdragon from Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow. There it is. And I've not used it at all, so it remains 19.16 grams. The next product is my NYX eyeshadow pencil, jumbo eyeshadow pencil in Rust. So it is this shade here. It's like a burgundy maroon colour. I've used this 3 times in the last month, and it's gone from 12.81 grams to 12.12 grams. And then last but not least, I have my MAC Cream Blush. I've used this 4 times and it has gone from 13.29 grams to 13.07 grams. So that is all of the products. So I need to pick out 2 more. So let's go for the next foundation that I want to roll out. This is the Collection Lasting Perfection Glow Foundation. This was the one that I was mixing with the Maybelline Superstay. So we're pretty low. I'd say we're about down to here. So I'm hoping that I can finish this up really soon. And instead of bringing in an eyeliner, can I bring in a lip liner instead? Yes, so I'm going to bring in a lip liner instead, and I'm going to bring in this W7 lip twister in the shade Malbec. So it is that much tall at the moment. So of course I will take the weights of the new products I am rolling in so that we have them for comparison next month. But that is a quick overlook of this project pan. I know it's a bit speedy, but I'm running out of battery. So forgive me. And I've already had to sit and wait for a battery to charge already today. And I need to get things done. I need to film more videos. So that is it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.